Guys, I just wanted to make another video again. This time I want to try to do a bike ride video. There's kids over there, you know. I'll try to do a bike ride to Freedom Park. It's kind of boring park now. I liked it back then. I mean, they changed the park like every 30 years. It's freaking crazy. I think it's every 5 years. I don't know. I'm not sure. I know they changed it. I know last time they changed it was like 3 years ago. So it's kind of gonna get harder to get on this bike because last video I made my bike broke down. So hopefully things go well today. So. Shoot, the rain just started, so I don't know if I can do this video. No lightning, no sirens, we're fine. I mean, hail, if any of those start happening, we're going back. I'm just saying, oh shit. There's already raindrops coming on the tablet. I can't do that. I can ride without no hands, so I don't want to do that. Oh, sorry. It's on camera. I don't know if we can do this. Oh my god. Look at those clouds right there. They're pretty dark, dude. Oh. I don't know. We're going back, dude. We're going back. Sorry. Dude. I don't know why I'm saying dude. I keep getting my finger on the camera thing. Next time I can do a bike ride video, you know. I think I did one, but my finger accidentally hit the button, so yeah. Aborted destination. Denied. Aborted. Abandoned. The mission. Well, we're coming back due to rain. Cause I think it's supposed to severe thunderstorm soon. And I'm going to my mom's house anytime soon. So, get off this bike. Oh, there we go. Freaking tired holding it in my left hand the whole damn time. Oh, there we go. Just couldn't do it. It's just due to rain. It was just getting harder and harder. So we can just leave the rain be now. Wish I had a GoPro camera, but that's gonna be like soon too to make flight videos. Oh, here it comes, coming down. The rain had really picked up right now. There we go, I hear thunder. Thunder again, unless if that's an airplane. No, that was just an airplane. That was just an airplane. Come on. Why did the man upstairs order rain? We had enough rain this spring. I mean, at least it wasn't flooding. I don't know what to do now since it's raining. Nothing really to show you now. I'm trying to find this. You guys like give me help to. If you don't help me, then I can't do video game videos. No, seriously. I don't know which. I downloaded like a thing. I do like an account thing, but car. It's like, what the heck is this? I mean, I was like, oh, I'm so excited to do this. I mean, you can choose any video game you want. I mean, I thought I could do that for a second, but it didn't work on here. It kind of ticked me off, so rain's slowing down again. It's weird and crazy, yo. The weather does this. I don't know what to do now. I'll probably get a drink again. No, I'm not as thirsty. There's a razor, but I'm gonna sell that soon. And I'm gonna sell that at a pretty low price too, so. Thought that lamps was in that room. That is so strange. I don't even know what the heck. I don't even know what's going on. I was talking about stuff, then this. I saw this in the living room about 10 minutes ago. And how is it out here? Let's go see if... It looks like no one touched it like in frickin', 20 years or something like that. That was just like an expression thing. Like, I don't know, 10 months or something. I don't know. It's probably a different lamp. My mind could be doing mind tricks now. I'm gonna end this video now. Do you liked this video? Wait. I don't know. I think I can hear the tornado sirens 2-3 miles away. It's kind of quiet to hear, but hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and just right and punch it in the face. And I'll try to do my best and the sub button's right up there, and please punch it in the face like a boss. And I'll see you guys anytime soon. Bye.